Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to start selling on eBay in 2025, you have come to the right place. Today I will show you exactly how to create your eBay seller account and set up managed payments so you can start receiving money directly to your bank account. Stick with me to the end because I will also share some bonus tips to make your account setup even smoother. Before we jump into the setup, here's what you will need: a valid email address, a mobile number from a mobile phone number for verification, your bank account details for payouts, government issued ID like a passport or driver's license sometimes needed for verification. Got all that ready? Great. Let's dive in. First step, creating a regular eBay account. Go to ebay.com. Click on the My eBay, or from the left sidebar, click from the left side, click register. Then verify yourself. Select a figure needs requesting object that use an engine, helicopter. Then choose create an account for personal or business. Just enter your full name, then enter a email address. I will use a temporary email for this tutorial. Then password, create a strong password and click personal account. You can also sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple ID. Then click continue or skip for now. If you are selling large quantities or under a business name, select business account. Just now that you have an eBay account, let's turn it into a seller account. At the top of the page, click sell. Then click start selling or list an item button. Here's the important part: managed payments. eBay now handles payments directly. No need to pay for PayPal separately. You will be asked to enter your bank account details for payouts. Verify your identity. Sometimes they ask for a photo ID. Confirm your business information for business accounts. Fill in everything carefully, especially your bank information, because that's where your payments will go. eBay might also ask for a billing method like a credit card for selling fees. Just add your card details. This is normal and safe. Now type in what you are selling, like iPhone 13 is then search. Now follow the steps. Select one. Now add your address. Then click phone number is no, then continue. Now add a catchy title, upload clear photos from your computer, set a price, and write a description and starting bid $4. Buy it now. That's good. Choose the shipping options, review everything, and publish. Here's a super quick overview of how now select a photo, but I haven't a photo for now, but buyers can pay using credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and even PayPal, all handled by eBay. eBay collects the payment, deducts any selling fees, and deposits your balance directly into your bank account. You will get payouts daily, weekly, or bi-weekly, depending on your settings. Before you go, a few quick tips. Verify your email and phone number early to avoid any issues. Start with a few small items to build your seller reputation. Ship quickly and update tracking information. It boosts your rating. And that's it. You now know exactly how to create eBay seller account with managed payments. So if this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.